Institute of Technology and part of the team working for Math-E project. The purpose of this session is to look at the manipulation of algebraic expressions and equations.
This is the second video by Roz on manipulation of algebraic expressions, or manipulating formulae. There are some basic rules that we have to remember. A formula is a statement that two quantities are equal, and transposing a formula involves the manipulation of the formula when a value other than the subject is required, and some examples are shown. The basic rule is that the equality of an equation must be maintained. Whatever is done on the left-hand side must be done on the right-hand side of the formula, or expression, or equation, whichever term you use. Here is the first of two worked examples.
We have been given the formula V is equal to 2/3 pi r cubed. And we have been asked to manipulate this formula so that or is the subject matter of the formula. So, first step is to rewrite the formula so that or is on the left hand side of the equal to sign. We then try and isolate the or. Firstly, multiply across by 3. What we do to one side of the equation, we must always do to the other side. This will leave us with 2 pi r cubed is equal to 3v. Next, we want to get rid of the 2 pi. So we divide again both sides by 2 pi. This leaves us with r cubed is equal to 3v over 2 pi. Our next step is to cube root r to the power of 3. And again, we must cube root the other side of the equation. This will give us our answer of r is equal to the cubed root of 3v over 2 pi. And this ends this example. We want to solve the following equation for t. 15 divided by 3t squared is equal to 2 over 5. Firstly, we use cross multiplication. This will give us 15 by 5 is equal to 2 by 3t squared. That is 75 is equal to 6t squared. Rewriting this so that 6t squared is on the left hand side of the equation, we have 6t squared is equal to 75. Divide both sides by 6, because what we do to one side of an equation we must always do to the other. This will give us t squared is equal to 12.5. We can then square root t squared and also square root 12.5, because once again what we do to one side of the equation we must always do to the other. This will give us t is equal to plus or minus 3.54, correct to 2 decimal places. The reason for the plus and the minus is that 3.54 multiplied by 3.54 gives us 12.5. Equally, minus 3.54 by minus 3.54 is equal to 12.5.
I hope you found this session useful. Please visit the Math E portal for further assistance.